Hey, yo chat, it's your boy V. As usual, I'm back with another video. Today it's the 28th of July 2026. It's Tuesday, and we had news around 4, and this was the trade that I took as a TP bang as usual. So I'll break it down so you guys get the sauce why we be hitting TPs back to back, bro. So let's get down to it. So as you know, the first thing we have to determine is the narrative. So we came into this day looking pretty bearish, as you can see. Like the market has been bearish, bro. So that's obviously bearish. And then we had these SMT. We had this SMT right here, the bearish SMT. And as you can see, ES took the highs and Q didn't take the highs. So I was like, okay, that puts me in a way that I'm looking pretty much bearish, because that SMT is supposed to deliver slower. And then again we had these bullish SMT. As you can see, you had this bullish SMT right here. ES didn't take the lows, as you can see, and NAS took the lows, as you can see. So I was looking pretty bearish, so I scaled down to the 1 minute. So I marked a bunch of draws that are, as you can see, this is the draws that I marked on higher time frames that I want to see the market taken out. So I missed a bunch of trades because my internet was just tweaking, bro. I couldn't execute. These were nice shots. These were nice shots right here. SMT, we put up SMT, and then we respected this FEG, and then we started displacing. I think we had a bunch of draws lower here, so that was a good entry model. Sure. I'm sorry for that. So yeah, I missed a bunch of draws right here and entries. I think I missed 2 entries right here, but for now we can't see it. So let's focus on what we took. So it was just displacing lower, and I was like, okay, we have a bunch of draws on the downside, but I want to see market rebalancing before like taking out the draws. So that's exactly what I was waiting for, especially after ES took this draw, bro. I was like, okay, I don't want to FOMO into anything that's bearish, but I'll see what the algorithmic signatures are saying. So I had to wait for that. We rebalanced, put a bearish SMT right here, as you can see. NQ didn't take this highs, and then ES took the highs. I was like, okay, if we're gonna get a reversal sequence, I want to see that SMT getting disrespected. You get it? I was like, I want to see that SMT getting disrespected. But if you're trying to push lower, then I want to see it delivering. So we created the SMT, and then we displaced lower, and then that's when we invented buyers. You know, we invented buyers with this candlestick, and most of the buyers got in. And then I was like, okay, I want to see a full closure if this SMT is going to get disrespected. But we didn't get a full closure, as you can see. Not re-soup actually. We just displaced lower. I was like, okay, there's no reason why we will tap this FEG 2 times. We tapped it for the first time. Why would we want to tap it for the second time if we want to go up? I was like, okay, the market is genuinely not trying to go up at this point. So as soon as this candlestick closed and then this one opened and displaced lower, that's where I got in. And I took it to these draws, which is like 600 points, 60 points, yeah. So yeah, that was a TP ban for today. A pretty smooth trade, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, ES didn't take the lows. It just fully, like I said, ES had already taken these draws, so there was no need for it to come fully all the way down. So that's why we put a bullish SMT. Now it's delivering. So yeah, that was the trade breakdown for the day, and see you guys in the next video.